Untapped Caribbean depths reveal hidden ecosystems and geological wonders for decades. The underwater world surrounding British Caribbean territories remained largely unexplored, shrouded in mystery beyond shallow coastal waters. Now, a groundbreaking 6-week expedition led by the UK Centre for Environment, Fisheries and Aquaculture Science, CEFAS, has unveiled a stunning array of previously unknown ecosystems, geological formations, and marine life. Operating at depths up to 6,000 meters, 19,700 feet, researchers aboard the RSS James Cook documented an underwater mountain range, massive blue hole, and remarkably resilient coral reefs. The first glimpse into a hidden world, the expedition navigated using outdated charts riddled with errors, forcing scientists to rely on decades-old maps. Despite these challenges, the team mapped nearly 25,000 square kilometers, 9,700 square miles of seafloor, capturing over 20,000 photographs. The discoveries included bioluminescent creatures, such as pelican eels with flashing pink tails, barrel-eye fish with upward-facing tubular eyes, and dragonfish with glowing lures. One particularly astonishing find was a type of swimming sea cucumber that the team has yet to classify. Just yesterday, we found a kind of type of swimming sea cucumber, and we still don't know what it is, said Prof. James Bell, the expedition leader. The region is home to 146 species found nowhere else on Earth, a number expected to grow as research continues. Geological marvels and pristine reefs, the team identified a previously uncharted underwater mountain called Picklebank, rising from depths of 2,500 meters, 8,200 feet, to just 20 meters, 65 feet below the surface. The mountain is teeming with life, including golden coral towers and brain-like coral structures. In Turks and Caicos, researchers discovered a 3,200-meter, 10,500-foot, high mountain ridge stretching 70 kilometers, 45 miles, along the seafloor. Nearby, a massive vertical sinkhole, a blue hole, was found, potentially the deepest in the Caribbean. Unlike typical blue holes, this one harbors life, including sponges, urchins, and diverse fish species. Perhaps most significantly, the expedition located a healthy, thriving coral reef free from the stony coral disease plaguing much of the Caribbean. Its depth and the mountain's steep slopes likely protect it from warming ocean temperatures, which have damaged 80% of the world's coral reefs since 2023. Why this matters: the Caribbean's underwater ecosystems are not only scientifically valuable, but also vital to the region's economy and culture. The UK shares responsibility for protecting these territories, where up to 90% of Britain's unique species reside. The newly discovered areas could provide crucial feeding grounds for marine animals and sustainable fishing opportunities for island communities. As Prof. Bell notes, we know the surface of Mars or the Moon better than we know the surface of our own planet. Mapping these areas is critical for effective conservation efforts. Island governments are using the expedition's findings to refine biodiversity management plans, ensuring these pristine environments remain protected. The research underscores a fundamental truth. Until we understand what lies beneath the waves, we cannot effectively safeguard it. The race to protect these relatively pristine environments from climate change and pollution is now more urgent than ever.